Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still a big believer this is going to make a higher low, and I still think it's either going to go up and make a wave C, like an expanding flat, or possibly a running flat, which would actually bring us down to one of these lower fib levels. Either way, I think that we do have a pretty good upside potential on these higher time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this move up right here as a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2, and that would make this a wave 1 and a wave 2 of wave 3. Whether or not the wave 2 is already over, I think is still debatable. It kind of looks to me like it could be, and if it is, then it should be making its way up to eventually make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave C, like I was showing on the higher time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I mean, to me it looks like the end of a Kretzen. We got a nice big fib bounce. We got a nice break of structure. I mean, I think the Kretzen could possibly be over. If the Kretzen is over, then this is most likely going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. If the Kretzen is not over, then this is likely to actually make 3 waves up and impulsive down, something similar to this, 1, 2, 3 waves up and impulsive down, proving that it is a wave C and proving that it really is going back down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it looks like an uptrend to me. And I would definitely label it as either a wave A or a wave 1. Then this move down looks like a trend also, which is kind of leading me to believe that this move up is actually a wave B and that this could possibly go down again for a wave C, and that would be like an ABC of 2 or an ABC of B. Then it should go up for either a C, which a C would probably go up to one of these 2 fib levels, make a nice break of down, proving that it is a wave C, and then continue in the downtrend. On the other hand, if it's not a wave C, but it really is a wave 3, then it would just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, proving that it really is a wave 3. So either way, we should be able to recognize that and trade accordingly. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now I do suspect that this could go down today, maybe down to the 50% or even lower. But we do have to be careful because this is very impulsive up. So if this does make 1, 2, 3 waves down and it turns up like that, I would actually take it as a long because I do think the trend is up on all the higher time frames. So I actually do suspect that it will go down to at least a 50%, but I also realize that the trend is up on most of these higher time frames, and the factor is that it may not go down and make a proper ABC. It may just make another little ABC like this. ABC, and it might just keep on trending up. So if you do see 3 waves down and golfing up high or low, then I would definitely go long. Otherwise, I would just look for shorts, potentially down to the 50%, exit my shorts if we get a fib bounce, and go long for the continuation of the uptrend, just like what I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.